Once upon a time in the world of smoke and steel, an unexpected hero springs to life. A dazzling golden cat with an unquenchable thirst for excitement. One day, in the belly of a monstrous metal beast, this captivating cat found its destiny, monster truck racing. Commanding the wheel, the golden cat approaches the battleground, an arena teeming with competitors in metallic beasts of their own. The sweet, deep roar of engines is music to its ears. The energy is intoxicating. The competition, thrilling. This isn't a mere spectacle. This is a furiously festive carnage, a true catastrophic rampage commanding the world of metal and fur.